all, welcome back to my channel Swati Saj Creations. Today's recipe is really amazing. You will like it. It's zucchini banana roll-ups. It's an amazing recipe, easy, quick and delicious. Ingredients I will put in the description box. Take 1 zucchini and make the ribbons. Dry roast it without oil, ghee or butter. Now take 2 tablespoons of sugar powder and put it in the hung curd, which I have taken 1 cup. Now mix well. Take 2 zucchini ribbons in the plate. Keep it together. Apply sugary hung curd on the ribbons. Just apply it as you apply butter on a bread. Now take a piece of banana, which I have already chopped it. Cover it from the one side and overlap it from the other side. Keep the roll ready and put it aside. Dust the sugar powder on the plate. It's time for plating. Now take all the roll-ups and place it in the plate. Isn't it easy recipe? Please do like my channel and subscribe it. Now dust the sugar powder on all the roll-ups. I'm sure you're loving this recipe. It's very easy, very tasty, very delicious and mouth melting. Take a saffron syrup and put the drops, a little tiny drops on all the roll-ups. Hit the bell icon for the future notification. Make sure you share this recipe with your friends and family. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you.